Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select maths from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8, click on view all lessons, and we are going to start with the chapter ratios, rates, and proportions. We are already working on the chapter ratios, proportions. So let's start with a topic that is scale drawings and scale factors. The lesson we're going to start with is scale drawings and scale factors. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? So let's start with an example. Mm, okay, the first example is okay. Let me read the question. Okay, let me share the screen, then I'll read. Okay, and the topic is scale drawings and scale factors, and the topic is Garrett measured a campsite and made a scale drawing. The tent, which is 12 feet long in real life, is 2 inches long in the drawing. Okay, and the tent that which is 12 feet long in real life is 2 inches long in the drawing. What is the scale of the drawing? You have to find the scale of the drawing. Got it? So it would be 2 inches divided by, you have to write this 12 feet long in real life and 2 inches long in the drawing. That's basically the ratio between the original one and the scale drawing. You have to write it in the ratio form. Got it? So it would be 2 inches divided by the 12 feet. 2 inches divided by 12 feet. That is the ratio between this one is for the original, in the original drawing, originally the 10th length, and that would be the scale drawing. So find a ratio between the value of the scale drawing and the original one. So it would be, you can divide them by a common number. So the common number is 2. So just divide them by 2. So it would be 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 6 is 12. That means 1 inch equals 6 feet. Got it? That is the relationship between the values. So the correct option is, here you have 1 inch, so 1 inch equals 6 feet. Got it? Okay, the next one is an elementary school is Belleville. An elementary schools in Belleville gets its school supplies from the district office 2 kilometers away. What is the distance between the elementary school and the district office on a map with a scale drawing of 2 centimeter equals 1 kilometer? Got it? So uh, the distance between from the school, the district office is 2 kilometers away. Got it? What is the distance between the elementary school and the district office on a map? So you have to find that this is the distance you have to find. Basically, the distance from the school. Let me read the question again. An elementary school in Belleville gets its school supplies from the district office 2 kilometers away. What is the distance between the elementary school and district office on a map with a scale of 2 centimeter and 1 kilometer? Okay, you have to find the distance on the map. Got it? So uh, n- uh, that is d over 2. You have to find the value on the map. But the fact scale factor is given 1 over 2. Got it? You just have to find the value on the map. So just do d equals 2 times 1 over 2. So it would be 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that means on the scale it is 1. Got it? Oh, 2 centimeter over 1 kilometer. Sorry, not 2, 1 over 2. It would be 2 over 1. It is 2 centimeter divided by, it would be 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer ratio. Got it? So you have here you have 2 kilometers to write it kilometers on the denominator. So it would be then d equals 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 kilometers. That means the distance is 4. Got it? Okay, let's start with a test question. So let's start with test. Okay, Steven is a high school student who is also taking a class at his local community college. Steven rides the bus with from the high school to college, which are shown 6 inches apart on the map. If the scale if the scale of the map is 2 inches equals 1 mile, then what is the actual distance from the college and the high school? Got it? That's the one. Exactly the same with the one we did on the uh, board. So it would be 6 inches, and you have to find distance, actual distance on the map. Got it? So it would be 6 divided by, it would be 6 divided by d. You have to find the ratio that relates the inches between the college and the high school. Got it? So it would be 6 divided by d, and that one you are given on the scale map is scale is 2 inches divided by 1 mile. So it would be 2 over 1. You have to find the value of d. So just cross multiply 6 times 1 and 2 times d. So it would be 6 times 1 is 6 and 2d. Divide both sides by 2. So it would be 2 times 1 is 2 and it would be 3. That means originally it is 3 miles. Originally, the distance between the college and high school is 3 miles. Got it? So just select the correct option. Yes, very good, Demi. It is 3 inches, just 3 miles. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, that's the one we did on board, isn't it? An elementary school in Belleville gets its school supplies from the district office 2 kilometers away. What is the distance between the elementary school and district office on a map with the scale factors of 2 centimeter equals 1 kilometer? Yes, that's the one we did on board. So the answer for this question is 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Lara, a high school student, is looking at a map of colleges and says that there are two in Lincoln Country that are 2 inches apart. If the map uses a scale 1 inch is equals 43 miles, how far apart are the college are the two colleges in real life? So you have to find a distance between the two colleges in real life. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK. So it is mm, 2 inches apart, and the scale is 1 inch divided by. So it would be you have to find the ratio between the two colleges, the map between two colleges. So it would be 2 divided by d, and the scale factor you are given is uh, 1 inches into 43 miles. So it would be 1 divided by 43. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. 1 times d equals 2 times 43. So 2 times 43 is 86. So it would be d equals 86 miles. Yes, very good, Demi. It is 86 miles. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is May drew a scale drawing of campground. The scale of the drawing is 1 inches to 3 yards. The actual length of the picnic area is 186 yards. How long is the picnic area in the drawing? So you have to find n divided by 186 n divided by 186 equals the scale factor is 1 over 3, 1 inches divided by 3 yards. So just do cross multiplication, n equals 3 times n equals 186 times 1. So just divide both sides by 3. So it would be 3 times 6 is 18 and 3 times. So it would be 62 inches. Very good, Demi. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. It would be 62. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. And the next topic is if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So the next topic we're going to start with is understanding ratios. So let me just write down the lesson name. Okay, so it is understanding ratios. Okay, so the first one is what is the ratio of the pink cars to the green cars? Green cars. Okay, so and you have one pink car and two green cars. Got it? So the ratio between pink to green is 1:2 because you have one pink car and two green cars, so it would be 1:2. Got it? Let's start with test because you're in grade 8 and you must know how to form the what is the ratios. You have done these topics in earlier grades. It's just a review of the topics you did earlier. Got it? Okay, good. Okay, the next one is what is the ratio of the orange hearts to the total hearts? So the total hearts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total hearts are 9. And the ratio of orange heart to total is orange are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is orange are 7. So the ratio between the orange heart to total is 7 to 9 because 7 of them are orange and the total they are 9. So it would be 7 to 9. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What is the ratio of green heptagons to brown heptagons? So how many green heptagons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are green heptagons are 4 and one of them is brown. Got it? So it would be, is it 1 to 4 or 4 to 1? Yes, it is 4 to 1 because you have to write the ratio of the green first and then brown. So it would be 4 to 1. The order matters. Got it? So you have to write green first and then brown. Yes, very good. It is 4:1. Okay, what is the ratio of the blue suitcases to the total suitcases? So in total they are, yes, they are 6 and 5 of them are blue. So the ratio is 5:6. Got it? Because 5 of them are blue and in total they are 6. So it would be 5:6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the ratio of the purple teapots to green teapots? So how many of purple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 6 of them are purple and one of them is green. So the ratio is, it is 6:1 because 6 of them are purple. Just one is green, so the ratio between them is 6:1. Got it? So just select the correct option, click on the OK button. So it would be 6:1. Just select the correct option, 6:1. What is the ratio of brown parallelograms to the red parallelograms? Okay, so one, two, three, four, five. Five of them are brown and two of them are red. So brown to red is, it would be 5/2. Got it? Five of them are brown and two of them are red. So it would be 5/2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the ratio of the yellow circles to the total circles? So how many circles are yellow? Two of them are yellow and the total are 4. So the ratio is 2 to 4. Got it? Yes, but 2 to, no, no. Uh, Jamila, it is not 2 to 2, it is 2 to 4. You have to write the ratio of the yellow to the total circles. The total are 4. So Demi also did the same. It is 2 to 4. Got it? Two of them are yellow, but the total they are 4. So it would be 2 to 4. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the ratio of the pink cars to green? Yes, it is 1:2. One of them is pink and two of them are green. So it is 1:2. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the ratio of red t-shirts to yellow t-shirts? So the ratio is 3/2. Got it? Three of them are red, two of them are yellow. So it would be 3/2. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. What is the ratio of the green balloons to the total balloons? So how many balloons are green? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six of the balloons are green and the total balloons are 8. So it would be 6/8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic, and next topic is the final test of the chapter. So let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, so let's start with the final test, and also let me write down the lesson name on the board. Mm, it would be the final test. Okay, let's just start with the first question. Okay, the first question is, Steven is a high school student who is taking a class at his local community college. Steven rides the bus from the high school to the college, which are shown 6 inches apart on a map. If the scale of the map is 2 inches to 1 mile, then what is the actual distance between the college and the high school? So you have to find the actual distance. Got it? So you need to do d divided by 6, d divided by 6, and then that equals uh, 2 inches to 1 mile. So you can write it as 1/2 because I have written the inches in the denominator. So please make sure the same units must be on the same. If you are written inches in numerator, then on the second side inches must be in numerator. Got it? But here I have written the denominator. So just do cross multiplication. D times 2 equals 6 times 1. So just divide both sides by 2. So it would be D equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the ratio of the orange hearts to the total hearts? So how many orange hearts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 orange hearts. Got it? So it would be 7 and total they are 9. So the ratio to orange heart to total heart is 7 ratio 7 to 9, because 7 of them are orange and 2 of them are, and in total they are 9, so it would be 7 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is, solve for C. 15 by 12 equals C by 16. 15 by 12 equals C over 16. So just do cross multiplication. So it would be 15 times 16 equals C times 12. So let's just do 15 times 16. 15 times 16 is 240. So divide both sides by 12. So it be C equals 20. That means the value of the C is, in the proportion the value of the C is 20. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the ratio of the pink fish to the total fish? So how many pink fishes do we have? Pink fish do we have? It would be 4, just one is the total fishes are 5. So it would be 4 ratio 5, because pink are 4 and total they are 5. So it would be 4 ratio 5. Yes, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Professor McCoy put tags on 212 bass. Later, she captured 840 bass. Out of the bass, she captured 18 had tags to the nearest whole number. What is the best estimate of the bass population? Got it? So you have to calculate the population. Let me just do it on board. Okay, 210, and she captured 840. So let's just do it on board. Mm, tags are 210. Okay, 210. Later, she captured 840. Out of 840, 18 had tags. Got it? So it would be 18 over 840, just form the proportion. It would be 18 divided by 240, because the one she captured later, later she captured, out of them 18 have tags, and the total she captured are 840. Got it? And on the other side, the tags were 210. You have to find the total. So it would be 210 divided by D. Got it? Just to cross multiplication, it would be 18 times D equal 210 times 240. So it would be, and you have to divide both sides by in. So it is 210 times 240 equals 50400. You have to divide it by 18. So just divide 50400 by 18. So it would be 2800. That means the value is, that means, oh, 210 times 840. Sorry, I've written 240. It is 840, not 200. Sorry. So it would be 210 times 840. So it would be, let me write it down again. So it would be 176400. So 176400 divided by 18. So it would be 9800. Got it? That means the value is That means the best estimate is 9800. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, while reaching college, Philip learns that a typical class at Springfield Technical College has 21 men and 36 women. And a typical class at Jefferson Country College has 24 men and 41 women. Which college has classes with a lower ratio of men to women? Okay, so it would be 21 to 36. The ratio is 21 to 36. And the second one is 24 to 41. So you have to find the one. Let me just read the question. Um, which college has classes with a lower ratio of men to a women? Got it? So the layer it is Springfield Technical College. See, 21 men out of the 36 women. Got it? And here you have 24 men out of the 41. Got it? So the lower in out of 44 41, 24 is more than half. Got it? So that means 21 men and 36 is the ratios are equivalent. I think let me just check. 41 times 21. 41 times 21, just cross multiply them. It would be 21 times 41 and 36 times 24. It would be 861. So then 36 times 24, it is 864. So which of them is? That means they are not equivalent. That means Springfield has. Got it. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, are these ratios equivalent 3, 4, and 15 over 20? Okay, just simplify this fraction. You can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So it would be 5 times 3 is 15 and 5 times 4 is 20. Yes, they are equivalent. Got it. Both the ratios are equivalent. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, last year Albert used 3 bottles of shampoo and 5 bottles of conditioner. Her sister Dana used 4 bottles of shampoo and 2 bottles of conditioner. Who has a lower ratio of shampoo to conditioner? 3 by 5 and 4 over 6. Got it? They are equivalent. Oh, Albert has, let me see how. 3 by 5, okay. Okay, 60%. So 3 by 5 is 60% and 4 by 6 is 66%. So 60% is less than 66. So it would be Albert. Got it? On a map, an amusement park and a wildlife preserve are located 2 inches. In real life, they are 6 inches apart. What scale does the map use? So 2 inches divided by 6 miles. 2 inches divided by 6 miles. So it would be, divide them by 2, that is a common number. So it would be 1 inches divided by 3 mile. That means 1 inch equals 3 mile. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need help with the topic, please contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next chapter. We have done with this one. Let's start with the next chapter, and the next chapter is proportional relationships. Let's start with proportional relationships. Okay, Find the constant of proportionality from a table. That's the first lesson we're going to start with. Let me just write the lesson name on the board. Okay, let me write down the lesson name. Find the constant of proportionality from a table. Okay, so let's start with an example. The table shows how many number of cookies Marlon can bake in is related to the amount of flour he has. Got it? So the table is cooked. The table is okay. Let's start with example here. Okay. Okay. The table shows how the distance Ellie runs depends on the number of track practice he attended. Got it? Okay. So you have to find the table is how far Ellie runs. Practices are 2 and the distance is 8, then you have 4 practices and distance is 16. Got it? You have to find the uh, change constant of variation. That means you need to see the change between both the values. Got it? So one of them is x and one of them is y. You have to find y over x. So y is 8 over 2. So 8 over 2 is 2 times what number is 8? 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 4 is 16. That means the constant of proportionality is 4 here. Got it? Okay, the next example is the table shows how the cost of the appro- appropriate cost of corporate team building it depends on the number of attendees. Got it? So you have to find a change between the y values to x values. So you have to do y divided by x. Got it? So 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 16 divided by 4 is 4. That means the constant of variation is 4. So let's start with the test questions. Okay. The table shows how the total number of books Manuel has read depends on the number of months he has been part of a book club. Got it? So it would be the x values are 7 and 15 and the y values are 7 and 15. So for the Manuel, got it? So 7 divided by 7 is 15 divided by 15 is 1. So that means he can read just one book. Got it? Each month. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. The table shows how the total pages of notes in Henry's notebook depends on the number of hours he spent in class. How many pages of notes does Henry take during an hour of a class? So you have to find the change by y value divided by the x value. So the y values are 10 and 15. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Yes, net Maggie, very good it is. 5 just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, the table shows how the amount of tape Mary has used is related to the number of presents she has wrapped. So the number of presents are 2 and 6, and the two tape used is 6 and 18. Got it? So you have to find the answer. So it would be y over x. Got it? So y divided 6 divided by 2 is yes, very good. It is 3. So the correct option is 3. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. This table shows quizzes how the total number of quizzes Lauren has ever taken in high school depends on the number of weeks she has attended school this quarter. How many quizzes does Lauren take per week? So divide the y value by x value. Got it? So 8 divided by 2 is, so yes, it is 4. Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the, okay. This table shows how the cost of Cooper's graduation picnic depends on the number of attendees. So divided, you have to divide y by x. So it would be 10 by 5 is, so it would be 10 divided by 5 is, yes, very good. It is 2. 10, 5 times 2 is 10 and 9 times 2 is 18. So it is 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the table shows how the cost of corporate team building event depends on the number of attendees. So what is the cost per attendee? So it would be 12 divided by 3 is, twelve divided by 3 is, yes, very good. It is 4. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the table shows how the length of Josh's essay depends on the number of hours he spent writing this week. So how many pages does Josh write per hour? So you have to divide by value divided by the x value. So it would be 5 divided by 5 is 1, and then 13 divided by 13 is, it would be 1 page. Very good. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the table shows how the amount Billy earns from yard work depends on the number of hours she worked. So how much money Billy earned per hour? It would be, it would be, yes, it is 12. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the 6 to 12. 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 6 is 18. So the correct option is 6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The table shows how the total amount of paper Ellie's office has recycled depends on the number of weeks are they started the new recycling plan. How many kilograms of paper does Ellie's office recycle each week? So it would be 12 divided by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is, so the correct option is, it is 2. 2 times 6 is 12 and 9 times 2 is 18. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The table shows how the total number of books Ron has read depends on the number of months he has been part of a book club. So it would be 2 times what number is 8? You have to do y by x, got it? So y is 8, so 8 divided by 2 is, so it is, yes, it is 4. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the table shows how the cost of an of Eon's birthday party depends on the number of guests. So it would be a y by x. So it would be 8 over 8 is 1. So the correct option is 1. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 4 of the topics today, and the topic names are scale drawings and scale factors, understanding ratios, and final test. These are the all the topics are these three topics are the under ratios, rates, and proportions. Got it? Then we started the next chapter, that is proportional relationships. So we have done with the first topic. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. Got it? So that's all for today. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. If you need more help with any of the topic, any test question, you can contact. You can go to Skype and contact any tutor. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. If you find a session helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Bye.